What if you can find someone with money to help you pay off your bills, your tuition, your college loans, but the catch is, wait for it, you have to sleep with them? Most people would not consider such a thing, right? Well, one website hooks up people to do just that. And it's seeing a lot of business in this tough economy. It's called seekingarrangement.com. The site allows women to hook up with sugar daddies, their term, usually in exchange for sex or companionship. But a recent article in the Huffington Post suggests that more and more college students and recent graduates are using the site to hook up with wealthy benefactors, rich guys, in exchange for money to pay their college tuition and other expenses. Joining us now, the founder of seekingarrangement.com, Brandon Wade, and in-session legal contributor Sunny Hostin of our sister network, True TV. Thank you both for joining us. Brandon, my first question to you is, you actually, had this website long before you decided to focus in on this particular niche. Why did you decide to do that?
Well, I noticed when I started Seeking Arrangement back in 2006, there was a lot of college students who were joining the website. Back then, about 25% of the members, the new members, were actually college students. But over the years, more and more college students started joining the website. I mean, there was an explosion in just the last 3 years alone. So I decided, well, it's time to focus on this niche market space where, since a lot of college students are increasingly getting into debt and need help with their bills.
College students being broke, that's not new. Graduating from college with a lot of debt is not new. Why this approach?
Because this makes everything simple. I think as a college student, you're out there dating anyways. Why not date somebody who's wealthy, who can pamper you, pay for your summer vacations, potentially even help you get a job after you're done with school, and in the meantime, help pay off your bills? I think it's a win-win scenario here.
How is it not prostitution? That's just the question. How is that not prostitution?
Because this is a relationship. I mean, would you say a man and a wife is engaging in prostitution? Certainly not. So would you say Hugh Hefner is engaging in prostitution? Absolutely not. Because people fall in love, they have a relationship, they like each other, there's chemistry involved. Now, granted,
but it is implied that you have to have sex with this person and they will give you money. That's prostitution.
No. That is absolutely not true. Quite a few relationships form on the website where there's absolutely no sex involved.
Sunny, go ahead.
I think that's ridiculous. I mean, there's no question in my mind that this is prostitution, and sir, that you're a pimp, because your service provides men with women that are down on their luck. They're down on money. They don't have the funds to complete their education. And what they do have is the ability to have sex with these men. And that is the only reason why the two are meeting. And so that's very different from a man and his wife, or a woman and her husband. This is really just prostitution. And you can say all you want about love and that sort of thing, but that is really not what's happening here. I mean, I think we really need to pull the curtain and show the wizard for what he really is. And quite frankly, sir, you're just a pimp.
Brandon, we're about out of time.
I think it's quite...
Brandon, you literally were about out of time. You got about 10 seconds. I'll give you the last word.
Well, it's funny that somebody who's educated would say that this is prostitution. I mean, clearly there's a difference between relationships.
Not only am I educated, I'm an attorney and a former federal prosecutor, and I've tried pimps. And so I would say that you're in the same class as the other gentlemen. Okay. I shouldn't even call them gentlemen, the other people that I've prosecuted.
That's going to have to be the last word. Thank you both very much.